Hola, peoples. Earthquakes today. We had a 5.4. No, yeah, 5.4 on the Juan de Fuca plate off Oregon on the Cascadia zone. Yeah, that's not good. Hopefully that just released some pressure, but that could be a possible harbinger to more to come. Kathy, hopefully you're okay. I see a 4.7 hit Kansas City today. I know you're in Wichita, but how far away? I had to look at the map. I'm not sure exactly. But hopefully you're okay. 4.7 Kansas City. Other than that, that's about it, guys. Be good. Prepare. Don't be scared. You'll be good. Just stick with like-minded people that only want to help, not take your shit, rob you when the shit goes down. There's strength in numbers, and we know that. So that's about it, guys. Have a great weekend. It's Friday night. I think I'm going to hang outside for a little bit. Other than that, that's about it. I will talk to you later. Looks like my mother-in-law is having problems lighting the fucking gas fucking thing. So, anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Love you guys. Peace out.